Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock in Fidelity. First, you will need to open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the market. Once your account is set up, you'll fund it, transferring money you plan to invest. Fidelity offers many ways to do this, making it simple and secure. Then, you'll use their powerful research tools to find stocks that fit your investment goals. It's an exciting journey to financial growth. After researching, you're ready to place your order. Head to the trade section on the Fidelity platform. Here, you'll input the ticker symbol for the stock you want to buy, like Apple for Apple. Next, specify how many shares you wish to purchase. Finally, select your order type. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay. Review everything carefully before submitting. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're on your feet all day managing your investments. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you own stocks, monitoring your investments is key. Fidelity provides a clear overview of your portfolio's performance. You can set up custom alerts to notify you of significant price movements or breaking news related to your holdings. Periodically, review your portfolio to ensure it still aligns with your financial objectives. Rebalancing might involve selling some stocks and buying others to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed and proactive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.